You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very curious name. If you want to learn more names for medicine that are even confusing more, well, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to learn from and hear. Two different ways of pronouncing it. You can either pronounce it just as phthalimide, just with the TH sound. It's probably the easiest. Phthalimide, phthalimide. Or use the PH sound, which is an F, right? And that's phthalimide. So you have to do the F, then th, phthalimide. That's one pronunciation. Phthalimide sounds a bit more sophisticated, doesn't it? I think so, and it represents the spelling a bit better as well. So I personally prefer phthalimide, but you can also say phthalimide, and that's perfectly fine too. Also a correct pronunciation, how to pronounce phthalimide or phthalimide, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.